Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy Zano on the XeggeX exchange. First, let's go to the Zano website and select Ecosystem here at the top. Now we will scroll down and select the exchange XeggeX. This exchange will open up in a new window showing information on Zano. It is important that you create a free account in XeggeX. Also deposit Tether from your wallet to this new XeggeX account. To add Tether to your XeggeX account, first click a wallet located here. On this screen, use the search bar and type Tether. Then look for the USDT here in the center and click Deposit. On the screen, select the first box and then copy the deposit address, which you will use in your wallet to send the Tether to this exchange. After the confirmation, you will now have funded your account in XeggeX. Now click Markets, and in the search bar, type Zano, and click the first option here. Now, within this exchange, I can use the Tether to purchase coins of Zano by coming to the bottom right and within the Buy Amount area, typing how many Zano coins I want to purchase, and then press Buy Zano. The confirmation at the top right of the screen confirms your purchase, and just like that, you now own Zano.